Container gardening offers versatility. They can create a focal point and are great at showing off special plant specimen. Anyone can do container gardening, but it's important to be aware of some potential challenges that may arise. Potted plants may need more regular feeding than garden plants. Because their roots are confined and can't travel very far, the potting soil becomes compacted and depleted of nutrients over time. Maintain healthy growth by feeding them with an all-purpose liquid plant food twice a month. Overwatering and poor light can lead to weak plants, which can then invite pests. Check containers regularly and use a general insecticides to treat pest infestations. Overwatering is a common issue in containers. Always make sure that your pots and containers have drainage holes, and only water when the top layer of the soil becomes dry to the touch. Remember, even potted plants have specific growing needs. Always place your containers in areas where they will receive the right amount of sunlight according to their requirements. By providing your plants with proper care and feeding, they'll continue to flourish and bring beauty to your garden.